E-commerce tips, part number 2. Hi everyone, this is your coach Kherk. E-commerce marketing tips to grow your business or brand. Think like a customer. Your potential customer has an unfulfilled need, and the business needs to think like a customer to catch that opportunity. It would be best to build your inventory around what is selling so you don't end up with a backlog or unfulfilled orders. Identify customers' immediate needs and wants. Find the data to support your findings and also execute your action, pivot to long-term retention, and create meaningful relationships. Next, sell uniquely. Having a unique selling points makes it easier for your customers to locate and shop from your store. Online buyers will also find e-commerce store easily, and also guaranteeing a sale of some of your brand items. This will earn your profit to ensure your business is still competitive. Then, stay consistent. Consistency is critical to a successful omnichannel shopping experience. When it comes to consistency and branding, the goal is to create an identity that will motivate consumers to come back and also shop for your products. And being consistent in business boosts trust and improves efficiency. Make your website visually attractive. People like websites that look good, and it helps build and maintain product and brand awareness among consumers and ultimately boost repeat sales.